Zeryah.
You are the person we can lean on when we are weak. Make us strong. Jesus, we love you. Jesus, we need you. Jesus, we want you, and we just want to say thank you. Jesus, we love you. At times we feel lost, don't know which road to cross. Although I am small, I know He hears my call. At times we feel lost, don't know which road to cross. Although I am small, and I know that He hears my call. Jesus, we love you. Jesus, we need you. Jesus, we want you, and we just want to say thank you. Thank you, thank you. I want to let you know that we love you.